starting up into the game lands here on this back road. And got the Volkswagen sitting down on off-road mode, and we're going to creep on in here, do some hunting. It's the last day of rifle season here in Pennsylvania, and we're going to see if we can make something happen. It's going on a little after 11 o'clock. I got up late and had to take the wife over, her mom, so they can start cookie baking, and we're going to get out here and see if we can make something happen, guys, on public ground here. So, last day of Pennsylvania deer season, and then after Christmas we'll start late season. You know, late season, it gets to be the grind. It's late archery and the flintlock guys out, and there's only a few places that you can still hunt with a rifle, and that's doe only. It's straight wall or shotgun or pistol. Looks like we got a few cars up here, so not cars, we got a couple trucks and SUVs, so there are some guys out probably doing what I'm doing. Last day, just trying to make it work. So I guess we'll talk to you guys later, and I'll show you what happens. shots on the way in. One far back toward this way, but probably deeper in. And then I heard one shot come up the trail when I first got in the woods. Down over a bank from one of the fields, so I'm going to sit back and wait. This is pretty far back. Not as far as back as I usually go, but we're pretty far back. We're almost back a mile. Just under 1 mile. Heard a couple of shots down below. And at the bottom, I haven't heard anything else come up yet. I heard one single shot and then a couple way up top of that raised up. And that's on private property. Then I heard a few way out toward the Allegheny County line, and then I heard a few behind me. Now we got chainsaws running. Typical day on public land. This storm's starting to slowly come in too. I'm getting the wind. I haven't got the snow yet. the snowstorm. Well, another day out, didn't see much at all, and we're sitting here letting the car warm up because it's bitter cold with 32 degrees with heavy snow. I'm actually pretty well covered, and it's finally thawing out. No joke, Santa's next to me. I always call him Santa. He's an old timer who hunts out here from Ohio. He lives in Ohio but hunts in PA. He's an old timer, really big, whole white beard. Mark Thomas, if you're listening, reminds me of you, but he's just out hunting like I am. He has a 35 Remington running handloads. We got talking about reloading and hunting and different guns and stuff. The guy's white Ford sitting back beside me with 2 deer in it. So I'm guessing he's playing retrieval for probably some other guys hunting. But we're on the way out. I didn't see much. I seen a few different squirrel back on my other spot I usually hunt. I took a long, no, that's your 30-minute walk back. That's your 30-minute walk back there. Maybe a little less. And seen a couple squirrel. Heard a few deer, but they were down in the bottoms, down in the creek bottom, and never came up. I tried to call, and they just never came up. You can hear them down there just moseying around in the snow, in the creek bottom. You can hear the ice cracking, but they never came up the hill. Then I jumped out, a nice big pheasant out of the brush on the way back down. So that's my day. Kind of hit and miss, but how it is. We're doing what we can do. Heavy snow today from that snowstorm. It's still coming down, and we're gonna get back after it after Christmas. Hopefully, either with a straight wall rifle, if I can get the 350 Legend sighted in. If not, we'll be out with probably with a crossbow, or maybe we'll do some small game hunting again. We'll figure it out. Talk to you guys later.